Humans' hearing range or audible range describes the range of frequencies that a person can hear before feeling discomfort. Humans can hear sounds that have both the right frequencies or pitch measured in hertz and the right intensities or loudness measured in decibels. Human ear perceives frequencies between 20 Hz lowest pitch to 20,000 Hz highest pitch. All sounds below 20 Hz are called infrasounds. Similarly, all sounds above 20,000 Hz are called ultrasounds. For the loudness, humans can hear from 0 decibels up to 80 to 90 decibels. More than that can be dangerous in the case of long periods exposure. Okay, let's start the test now. Make sure your audio is working properly. If your results are not good, you might want to see a doctor. Subscribe for more videos, turn on post notification, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching.